Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. So in our last video, we have seen how to work with WordPress menus. So now in this video, we're going to learn about WordPress pages and WordPress posts. So let's go back to our website that we have just now created. All right, so this is the website. Perfect. So let me go to the website and see. Okay, perfect. So this is the website. So we don't have any pages or we don't have any posts. Pages and posts are nothing but a group of pages talking about a concept or talking about a subject which is interrelated to a business or an organization or a trust or an NGO or a system is called as website. Website constitutes of a combination of pages and posts. Few posts will be there, a combination of few posts are called as website, or let's say a group of pages are called as website. So website, the basic building block of any website is pages and posts basically. So if you see this website, if you see this our business website, that is geekywizards.com, we have pages: home page, about us page, our service page, our portfolio page, pay online page, and contact us page. These are all pages, different pages. But if you see, say any news website or a blogging website, if you see, let's say WP beginner, this is one of the top WordPress blogs. So this is a good example that I can show you to make you understand what exactly is WordPress post and what exactly is WordPress page. You might ask that, let's say, okay, before that, what we will do, we'll go back to our dashboard, and then what we will do is, I'll show you how to add a new page. Go to page. Don't worry, I'll explain these two websites very soon. But before that, I want to explain you how to add new pages and delete pages. If you go to pages, you'll be able to see this screen, and all you need to do is, this screen is nothing but the available pages list, right? So these are the two pages that we get as soon as we install WordPress. So if you want to create new page, you simply click on add new, and then our Gutenberg editor gets opened, and what you need to do, click on add title. Let's say about us page, or let's say about us, that's it, about, or let's click on, just say about, that's it, and simply click on publish. That's it. It's as simple as that. You just now created your first page, and if you click on this view page, you'll be redirected to a new page that you have simply created. That's it. It's as simple as that. So if you want to go back, how to add content in this page, we'll see in our later videos, but for now we have simply created a page. So if you want to go back to your WordPress dashboard, you simply click on this WordPress icon, and you're back to this list of pages. So we just now had two pages that are default pages, but now we have one more page called as about us page, right? So if you click on add new, and we can add a new page called as contact us page. Similarly, we can click on add new and add a service page. We can create products page. Similarly, we can add unlimited pages on our website. So this is how we create pages on our WordPress website. If you want to delete a page, let's say if I want to delete this sample page, what I need to do, simply hover on this page title, and you'll find this link called as trash. Simply click on that, and your page will be deleted. That's it. And just for some reasons, if you accidentally deleted it, don't worry, you have this option called as trash, and go back, and either you can restore this page or delete this page permanently. If I click on restore page, it works as a recycle bin on your PC, right? So you can simply restore or permanently delete. And then absolutely same way, we have one more option called as posts, where we can click on posts, and similarly, just like pages, we have list of posts, and if you want to create more posts, click on add new, and then select the title and publish. Hey, my first post is here. This is the title of the post, and I'll click on publish and publish. That's it, confirmation. And if you see your post, this is your first post. So there is a difference here. If you see this is a post, the post design is a little bit different. Let me open the page. Let's go back to our dashboard and open a page. You'll be able to see a minor difference. If you open this About Us page, click on View. This is the page that we created. Can you see complete blank screen? But as soon as we created a post, we don't have that blank screen. We have this much area only allocated for the post, but we have this leave comment categories by admin, previous post, next post, and also we have leave comment option here. And on the right side we have these widgets, search field, and also we have recent post list, comments, archives, categories, all the list and all those things, bells and rings for this post. Whenever we create post, we get all this. Whenever we have or we create a page, we don't get those options like this right sidebar or leave a comment and all those things. We don't get on a page. So what does that mean? Even though the page creation or page deletion or post creation or post deletion, the process is entirely same, but still, as you can see, the page is rendered differently and post is rendered differently. In the sense, there might be some technical or some perceptual change, right? So what exactly that is, and when should you use page and when exactly you should use post? This is the main and fundamental doubt that new developers or new administrators get, that when do we use post and when do we actually use pages. See, I'll take an example of this, our official website. If you see, this is a website. So this is our home page. We have a image with background, and then we have this section where we have icons, and I call it cards. So we have 6 cards, and then we have this bigger section, and then we have gallery section, and then we have again this call to action bar, and then some tagline, then we have some opt-in bar, and then we have a footer, right? This is the structure of this home page. But what if I open contact us page? What is the structure of the contact us page? Contact us page structure, there is no image or there is no tagline section and nothing like that, but all we have is direct form, contact form, and then we have this footer section of email opt-in, tagline, and from here the footer starts actually. So this is a footer section. So the first section is different. We had so many sections in home page here like this, but we don't have these sections on our contact us page, right? So what does this mean? This means when the content is different, content type and sections are different, then we use pages. Let's say if you want to create new home or new, let's say, contact us page, we don't go ahead and add new post and create a home page and a contact us page, right? We don't go ahead and create that. Why? Because the structure and design of these 2 pages are completely different. For home page, we need a completely different structure and design. For contact us page, we need a completely different design and structure. Like, let's say for home page or contact page or about us page or service page, these pages, the sections and structure of the page is completely different. The designs will be completely different, right? So in that case, whenever you need to create a unique content type, not content type and a structure, then we use pages. But what about posts? When do we use posts? When content is different but content type is same. This is the major difference. Like, in the sense, article 1 or article 2 or article 3 right? So the structure of the design will be same. The structure of that particular page will be completely same. Why? I'll tell you. Go to this WordPress WP beginner page, and if you see here, these are the posts. So let me open one post. How do I identify? I'll tell you. So this is the title. Okay. Structure. Let's write down the structure. So first is title, and then we have this some description of that particular title, editor details, or whatever we can say, or let's say metadata, and then we have social share icons, and then we have content. From here to here we have content. This is a long article. Okay, till here we have an article, and then we have recent blogs, and then we have about us, and then we have add, and then we have comments. This is the structure of this particular article. Okay, so I'll open one more article. Let's say randomly, let's choose one more different article. Let's open this one more article. So if you see this article, again we have title, we have same title, metadata, share icons, article content over here, and then we should be having recent blog, about us, add, and comments. If you scroll down and see, again this is a very long article, so let me scroll down. As you can see, we again have the same recent blogs, then we have about us, and then we have add, and then we have comment, right? 2 comments. So what exactly I'm telling here is both articles were different. The older example was completely about different topic, and this article is completely about the different topic. The topic is different, the content is different, but the content type is same, in the sense the structure is same. If content is different and structure is same, then we use post. If content is different and structure is also different, then we use pages. This is it. That's all. This is the biggest confusion new developers actually have, right? They don't understand when to create a new post or when to create a new page. Whenever a client asks them to add new section or something like that, they just get confused whether should I create a new page for this or new post for this, because the process of creating new page or new post is absolutely same. So they get confused. So many times what happens is, for home page they create new post, and for contact us they create one more post, for about us they create one more post, and then they get stuck while they start developing website, because they cannot change the content structure in posts. So you don't use pages. For pages you create pages. When the content type is different and content is different, you use pages, and when content is different but the structure is same, you use posts, right? So this is how you make use of pages and posts. And we also have learned how to manage, edit, delete, and restore our WordPress pages and posts. One more thing I wanted to show you, that is, go back to our dashboard. In my last video I have told you how to add pages, right? How to add menus. So if you go to menus now, because we have one dummy post as well and one page, so if you click on view all, we have home and about. So if you click on home page and about us page and click on add new, see, 2 links are created. Home is a custom link, so let me quickly remove it. But for about us is a page. You can see this right from here itself. And then if you click on posts, if you click on view all, we have 2 posts. One is hello world and one more is, hey, this is my first post, this is the title, right? So let me add it into the menu as well. So this is how we add pages as well. This is a page, so I'll delete this about us link. So I'll make this post as a sub menu for this page, and yeah, I'll click on save. So I hope you understood how to create page, how to create posts, and then how to add those in menu, how to create menu, sub menu, and all those things we have already seen. And most importantly, when should you use pages and when should you use posts, right? So I hope you have clearly understood this concept. So if you still have any questions or doubts, please do let me know in the comment section or in the discussion forums. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with one more concept in WordPress. Thank you. Have a great day.